Today is Tuesday. That means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I'm going to be cleaning in this closet, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I love Tuesdays. Tuesdays are one of my favorite days of the week because not only is it a tiny tidy day, but it's also Taco Tuesday as well. I want to thank Sunday Dawn, as always, for putting our tiny tidy collaboration together. I will list her channel, The Helpful Home, along with a link to this week's Tiny Tidy playlist in the comments below. I am going to be cleaning out this closet. I am actually standing in a room that is going to be a multifunctional room. It is going to be my new office, but I also want a space for guests to stay. So let's get busy cleaning out this closet. Okay, this is the closet. In all honesty, it's not terrible. However, it's not great. You'll see that I have a comforter down at the bottom, some luggage. I have a mirror stuck in there, some things on the shelf, lots and lots of wooden hangers. I have a suitcase that needs to be donated. I have something here, and then up at the top, it's kind of hard to see, but I have some boxes. And I have some things stored in those boxes. So I am going to start today's Tiny Tidy just by going through these boxes.
Something about you isn't right. I swear you can make me lose my mind. Lying here awake at night. If this is love, then I don't want it. Why you gotta be so complicated? I'm sick and tired of contemplating. I don't wanna be here waiting. If this is love, then I don't want it.
Okay, so let's go through this stack together. I went ahead and grabbed this. It is a beach bag. It says the beach is calling, and I'm pretty sure it's a Lily Pulitzer beach bag. However, I have another beach bag that I use, so I think I will donate this one. And I just want to see if I have anything inside of it, and I do. I have this. It's a little 31 bag, and it has some bathing suits on it. I think I used it to put like my cell phone in, that kind of thing. Again, I don't need that, so I'm going to donate that as well. This is a cute little thing that you can take when you travel, and you can put your dirty clothes in it. So I think I will keep this and put it with my luggage. So I'm just going to put it to the side, and let me just check this pocket in here to make sure I do not have anything that I would need to throw away. Like there's a piece of trash. So I'm going to throw that away, but I will leave, I guess I'll leave this Lily tag in there. So yes, so I'm going to donate this one. So I'm going to put this in my pile over here to donate. This box says, it says cords, outlets, that kind of thing. But I see that I have a wedding guest book. It looks like I have photo albums and that kind of stuff in here. And I'm not 100% sure at the moment what I want to do with these kinds of things. So I think I will just put them in the box and put them back up there for now. I was just going to quickly see what's in this photo album. Let's see. Oh, right here. That is a picture from our honeymoon in Jamaica. Let's see. see what else we see. Oh, I had a kitten and her name was Sophie, and she had some little baby kittens. I guess I should say cat. This was our first bedroom when we got married in our old house. So those are personal pictures. This was our first dog. His name was Max, and Max was a Chinese pug, and we had him for a long time. This was the fireplace and mantle in my old house. Personal pictures. There's my bedroom again. I loved that color blue. Like, this was the corner of it. I thought that was such a pretty color. And look, even whenever, after I was, even all these years ago, I still had a closet that was color coordinated. And even though it was a small closet, look at how nice and neat I had it. Like, those are some goals, because that was a small closet and I had all of that stuff in there. So yeah, just pictures from my old house. So I will probably take that out eventually and maybe put it into a box with like years on it or something like that. But again, today I am not going to do that. So I feel like that was kind of a waste to drag that down, but I am going to add that to my to-do list. Let's see what is in the next box. This box says pictures, and in this box there are indeed pictures. I might take one day and actually go through these pictures and maybe put them in boxes according to years or something like that. But I see this one, and this is Doodah. This is one of my dogs I had when I was little, and I absolutely loved Doodah. He was a Cocker Spaniel, so cute and sweet. I've always loved dogs. See if I see any other pictures in here. I don't think I see anything else. Oh, this is me when I was like maybe 6 or 7, and this is my dance picture, and it had a little crown. I thought this was like the best dance picture ever, and I had these little tap shoes with the little green laces. So yeah, my hair was still long, but my hair was dark then. And I don't know why these are out. Oh, this is my sorority pledge class. I think maybe with pictures like this, when I go through it, because it's so large, I think maybe I'll just take like a picture of it and just have a digital copy. It looks like I have some other large pictures under there as well. I'm going to try to put it back. So yeah, this will definitely be a project for another day. Probably something I will do off camera. So I mean, like, this is like maybe another day, like as in, like, I'm not going to do this anytime soon. So both of these boxes will put like up there. So now I hate to see what's in here. I hope it's nothing major. Oh, yay. I actually have an empty box. That is amazing. So I can actually, I think I will leave this box down to see if I have anything that I need to store. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the 2 boxes with pictures back up there, even though that one label says outlets, and that's going to drive me crazy. And then I think I'll put this, hold on. I grabbed this from up there too. It's a pillow. It's never been used. So I think I will put this on the bed. So now I'm just going to put these 2 things back up there, and that's it.
I can't be the one you keep running to whenever you feel down. I can't be that someone who'll always be there when something's wrong. I can't rely on you now. I can't rely on you anymore.
Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed this. This is some luggage, and I'm actually going to donate the luggage, and I even think I'll donate the scarf that I have tied on here. just kind of leave it together. But before I donate anything, I like to look through it and make sure that I have everything out of it.
I can't depend on you now. I can't rely on you. Why is everything so problematic? Why are you acting so neglected? It feels so cold and unaffected. Swear to God that I don't want this. No. Something about you isn't right. Swear you can make me lose my mind. Lying here awake at night. If this is love, then I don't want it. I can't be the one you keep running to whenever you feel down. I can't be that someone who'll always be there when something's wrong.
Okay, let's see. This is a little bag that says supplies, and it has a hairbrush inside. I'm assuming that I was gathering stuff in case we had a guest. So I'm assuming I was putting things like this brush that was never used in here. So maybe I will keep doing that for a guest if we have a guest, so that they have a little thing. So I'll keep that. A hair dryer, which if we had a hair dryer, which I think would be nice if we had a guest. This is a book that I actually got for one of my relatives, so I need to get this sent to him. Another cute little beach bag. I think this is a Vera Bradley, and it's got like a little matching scarf on it. Let me check it to make sure it's empty, and it is empty, and I am going to donate this one because I do have that other one. I love this little scarf though, it's so cute. But yes, we're gonna donate that. This is a cake stand. I don't really think I have a need for this. This is going to go into a maybe pile that I'm going to start because I still have a little bit of decorating left to do in this room, so I don't know if I'll need it in here. I don't think so, but I'm just going to put it like to the side. This is a storage container. I'm sure I can use that somewhere. Probably in like my kitchen or my laundry room or even a bathroom. So I'm definitely keeping this. I'm going to put it with the maybe stuff. So I don't want to put it back in the closet. This is just a regular bag, so I can probably put my donation stuff in there.
I can't rely on you now. I can't rely on you anymore. I can't rely on you now. I can't rely on you anymore. I can't depend on you now. I can't rely.
If you are new to my channel, I just want to take a moment and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and you can find a variety of content here on my YouTube channel. I would love for you to become a part of my growing YouTube family. Just click on that subscribe button. It is completely and totally free. And if you are new, please introduce yourself, and I look forward to getting to know you.
People knew her by her will to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving walking by Avenue. She kept dreaming of a world big and
This is actually a vision board that I created several years ago when I first started my channel, and I think I'm actually going to take this stuff off and maybe use this as a dry erase board in the office area.
not for everyone, but she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survived the wheel. Even though she could knock down, it never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back? Lately your afterglow is shining brighter, waking up an easy egg.
This appears to be a bag with things to decorate in, or a bag of things to decorate with. So I think I'm going to hold on to these while I finish decorating the house, and I'm going to add any other decorations that I'm thinking about keeping in with that.
I remember her in songs, decades old, but it doesn't matter. Stumble across old memories, try to recall before they all shatter. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone, but she knew it must rain before it grows.
Okay, so even though I said I was not going to finish the closet, I decided to go ahead and do that. That box will go at the top whenever I find, or if I find anything to put inside it. If not, it's just going to go. That's still all the same. Here I put the basket that I was talking about for if we have any guests. I even put like a little charger that I found in there. I'm not sure about these candlesticks, so I put those there. And these are pictures that I'm probably going to hang up on the wall, but I'm not sure, but I just put them there for now. I have some luggage right there, and then I have this bag, and it just has stuff for the house in it that I may or may not want to decorate with. If I do not want to decorate with, I'm going to go ahead and discard that. And then I have a tripod, and I'm going to put my other tripods in here as well. So there you go. Oh, and I did end up taking down, I had like a shoe organizer here. I did end up taking that down. And on this side, I have all of these little things. I'm not sure if I will leave them or take those down. But I feel like I am off to a good start. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I hope this motivates, inspires you to do something in your home. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Do not forget to check out Sunday's channel and the playlist in my description box below. Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survived the wheel, even though she